Hey guys, quick unboxing. We have the BAPE coaster. Comes in various colors. I got the red one. You can see a ape head rubber coaster. Right. Size dust bag. Comes in its own plastic wrap. So at the back it says a bathing ape. Huge bathing ape head here. Red backdrop. Very nice. Hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe.